Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be stripping down a mcCulloch M40 125 lawnmower. As you can see, it's in really bad shape. It's needing stripped down and all the rust taken off of it, and then given a good coat of hammerite paint. Let me get some tools together and I'll start taking it apart. As you can see, I've started getting it all stripped down now. Look at all the dirt that's built up over the months that's been lying. This has only been lying in somebody's garden for about a few months. I have removed the fuel, and this is the pump that I used to remove the fuel. There's no oil in it because there was no oil there. There was only a little drop of oil in it, so that's. I just need to get the back flap off now, and then the engine off and the height adjusters. So once I've got that done, I'll come back to you. It's been a couple of days now, and I've come across a problem with the engine bolts and one of the height adjuster bolts, and they're too stiff, so we need to try and get some heat onto them to get them out. Right, I'm back, and now we can take the engine off. I've had problems with the engine bolts trying to get them off, so I ended up grinding them off. So as you can see, we now have the engine off, and it's all needing, the deck's looking pretty rotten. As you can see, there's all holes in here I need to fill, and so we'll get on and clean it up. Right, I'm not going to go too much further with cleaning it up because I've got most of the surface rust off, and I just need to wipe it down and fill these holes up with welds, and the underneath is pretty clean now, so I'll just get on and give it a coat of hammerite once I've welded all the holes up and that. Right, we're back, and I'm now going to cut the rest of the bolts off on the engine, so I can then drill them out and then get the bolts, and then once I've finished with the deck, then we can tidy it all up. That's the bolts all ground off now. all I need to do now is just drill them out, and maybe just fold them down before I drill them off, drill them out. So right, if you like this video, don't forget to share, like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Until then, be lucky.